Let's learn how you can check your Facebook video views. So I will show you this tutorial on iPhone, but you can follow up with any other device you want because method is same for every phone. Now without any delay, let us start by opening our Facebook application. So I will not show you how you can really check because I don't have any video posted on my profile, and if I post it I will have to wait some hours to get the views, but I will show you the process, and don't worry, I will not scam you. So what you're gonna do, you will have to post your video as a reel. So we're gonna click on video option down there, and you can,
A volite le žene?
your screen will be like this. You will now have to click on profile icon in bottom right, top right corner here, and it will open your profile with videos. Now you will just have to click on create a reel and post some video of your reel. For example, this one.
Let's learn
You can
how
edit it and just go next and post it, and after few hours you will just have to repeat the same
A
method
volite le žene?
to check your video views. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.